In this video, I am going to tell you how you can join multiplayer server in Minecraft TLauncher with Aternos server. So this is my Aternos account. I hope you know how to sign up an account. You can simply log into aternos.org or you can sign up an account. After that, you can create a server. I have created a separate video on this topic. I will share you the link in the button, and I will also share you the link how to create a server in Aternos in the video description, so check it out. After that, you can see this is my server and this is my server address. So this is at present offline, so I will just tap on start and it will become online. Within a few seconds it will become online, so just wait for a few seconds. So once your server is online, now you can see green online is showing. So you can go to your TLauncher and herein you need to click on multiplayer. After that, you need to click on this button, add a server. Now you need to enter server name and server address. So again, go back to your Aternos account and you need to just this is the server name, just copy this name and you can just paste it here, delete this thing and paste it here. And in the server address, you can find a server address from here only. You just need to click on this option, connect. Just tap on this and you need to enter this IP address which is showing here along with numeric. Just copy this and just paste it here in server address. Just paste it and click on done. That's it. So within few seconds it will start. You can see now it is connected. Just tap on this and click on join server, and within a few seconds you will get your game started. So after that you can play the game. So wait for a few seconds. This is joining the world. So now my game is started. Now you can play the game without any worry. So it is very easy, so you can enjoy the game from here. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.